Hi everyone, myself Ravi Kumar Pargond. I am studying in PDA College of Engineering uh, under branch E and C, and I will going to explain microprocessor 8086 microprocessor lab programs of microprocessor 8086. I will explain you the funda and program execution live funda and program explanation of program funda and all. So let us start the program number one, and I will give file name as R1 while executing program. Therefore, take file name as R1 addition of two hex number. So first step is take two hex data which you want to add. So you take any data. I am taking here 09 hex and 08 hex, and then after taking the data in data segment, move the data first data, that is first data, to 8-bit register, because we are using 8-bit data. Therefore they take 8-bit register, move that data first data to 8-bit register. Then afterwards we have to perform addition operation. Therefore add second data to that same AL register. We already the AL register containing first data, and if you add, there will be result comes, so that is added data. The result will be 09 hex plus 08 hex. So addition is performed. Then after we have to move the result from AL to memory. So that is the thing. This is simple program. So I think you understood the funda. So along with that, see here 09 08 hex and 09 hex is there. So if you add, you will get 17 hex. So 17 we have to divide it by 16. So we will get answer as 11 after executing program. So keep in mind, we will get answer as 11. So okay, start. Let us start executing the program in DOSBox. So start emulator. Click on start emulator. Type cd space 8086. Then click on enter, and type edit space file name. I will give file name as r1.asm. So click on enter, you will get blue screen. Whenever you are writing, for your understanding, better you should write the program name by using semicolon. Means if you are using semicolon, means uh, the statement will not be considered as a program, it will be considered as statement only. So program number one, program one program one. So simply program, that is R1 program. We should take a file name as R1 program. For better understanding, take R1 program. So let us simply take program. Let us take program R1. So that is addition of. So I think you will not get page so correctly. So I will slightly uh, scroll the screen. Addition of two hex numbers. So this is the program name. So let us start the program. So first, data segment. So segment then org 0 hex. So you are, it means you are locating the data, given data is in first column, that is org 0 hex given data, that is take data 1 is n1, that is db space 09 hex. So second data n2 08 db db 08 hex. So this is the given data. So we have to get a result. After getting result, we have to store that result in next 10h in next row. So therefore originating result in 10h, and then expected result will be, so let us, this was often something, this should be, this should be n2. So originating result, that is expected result result also in data bytes only, db question mark, because we have to find out the result by executing program that will be stored. Then what you have to write is, then starts here data ends, then starts code segment, type code segment, assume, so let us wait for a minute while. So then assume cs as code, and ds as data, ds colon data, ds colon data. Then type main, after this type main. So then move ax comma data, these are all fixed lines, so there will be no program involvement. So nothing program will be involved here. Next step I will tell you when program, part of the program, main part of the program will come, where we will going to perform the function. I will tell you move ds comma ax. Then now comes, so move first data, that is move first data, that is n1 to al register, al comma n1. So now the first data n1 is moved to al register. Then add al comma n2, means the second data will be added to first al register, means already n1 data 09 hex is in al, then second data 08 hex is added to al, means there will be addition function performed. Then move, after addition perform, result result comma al, the result will be in al, that is move to result. Then end of the program, move h comma forch int 21 hex, then ends code ends and main. This is all program. So I will execute, see carefully. First I will save, then afterwards exit, then masm r1 dot asm colon semicolon Then two warning errors, main is not defined. Okay, go to edit step again, edit. Here you can see how I will going to uh, debug the error. So edit, this is also one learning point, dot asm. So main is not defined. I think here I use a semicolon. I have to use colon here. So then it's okay. Then again I will save this program. I have debugged error. I have removed error and check whether any errors are coming or not. So I think we are getting best good. We are getting zero warning errors and zero severe errors. Then afterwards type link space r1 dot obj semicolon, then type enter, then afterwards debug, type debug debug r1 dot exe. So after typing this you will get slash here, type u means unassemble. So after typing this, check the line, check the offset address of h comma 4c. So here h comma 4c offset address is 0f. So therefore g is equal to 0 space f. So that is f. So then click on enter. So result will be in al, means you see x equal to 0711 is there. So 07 is the h and 11 is the al. That is the result we have obtained. I already shown you in the funda. While explaining funda, I have told you the result, whatever the what is the expected result I told, that is 11. I think you can see here came. Yes, it is came. So for seeing the result in this display, so means in memory, type d space ds colon 0. So click on enter. So you can see here clearly. So first given data is in 000. First address 0908 is the given data and the result is 11. So that's all program. So thank you. This is the result. So thank you very much.